Do you want to earn money while you sleep?
What if I told you there's a way to make 50,000
month selling simple digital products without any inventory or shipping hassle? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a digital product business that runs on autopilot. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the biggest mistakes people make and how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Step 1. Why digital products?
045. Visual comparison of physical versus
digital products with text like no shipping, no inventory, 100% profit. Digital products are the best way to make money online because they have no inventory costs. Unlimited scalability, 100% profit margins. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it again and again, earning passive income for years. Step 2. Best digital products to sell, 130. Visual, showcase of trending digital products with animated text pop-ups. Now let's talk about the best digital products you can sell for high profits. Ebooks, guides, share knowledge, sell for $10, $50 each. Notion, Canva templates, productivity business tools, printables planners, budget trackers, meal plans journals, online courses, workshops, teach a skill sell for 100 plus, AI-powered tools, ChatGPT prompts, high demand in 2024. Pro tip, choose a product that solves a problem and is easy to sell. On step 3, creating your digital product. Verse 3, visual, screen recording of Canva, ChatGPT, or Notion to show product creation process. You don't need fancy tools to create a digital product. Here are some simple ways to make high-quality products fast. Use Canva or Figma for designing ebooks templates. Use ChatGPT Jasper AI. To generate content guides, use Google Docs PowerPoint. For online courses, spend 1-2 days creating your first product and keep it simple. Step 4, where to sell digital products. 430, visual, logos of platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, PayHip. Once your product is ready, it's time to sell it. Here are the best platforms to use. Gumroad, best for selling ebooks, guides, templates. Etsy, perfect for printables planners. Shopify, build a store for long-term growth. PayHip, teachable, best for courses, coaching. Pro tip, list your product on multiple platforms to increase visibility sales. Step 5, marketing getting sales. 530, visual, social media clips, ad previews, SEO tips with engaging text effects. Now let's talk about the most important part, getting sales. Here's how you can drive traffic to your store. Free traffic methods. Organic marketing. Pinterest SEO. Create viral pins linking to your store. YouTube, TikTok. Share content related to your niche Facebook, Reddit groups. Promote in communities. Paid traffic methods. Ads influencers. Facebook, Instagram ads. Target your ideal buyers, TikTok ads. Promote viral digital products. Influencer collaborations. Get others to promote for you. The secret to making $50K a month is to use both organic and paid marketing. Step 6, scaling to $50,000 a month. 7 days. Visual earnings breakdown with exciting motion graphics. Let's break down how you can reach $50,000 a month selling digital products. Sell 200 products at $50 each. 10,000. Month sell 1,000 products at $50 each. Yes, $50,000 a month. Scaling strategies. Create more products, bundles. Automate sales using Facebook, Google Ads. Build an email list upsell to existing customers. Once you hit your first 10K a month, reinvest in ads automation to scale. That's it. Now you have a complete roadmap to earning $50,000 a month selling digital products. What's next? Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below which digital product you want to start with. Subscribe for more money-making strategies. Bonus, want a free checklist to start your digital product business? Check the link in the description. And see you in the next video. Happy selling.